everyone. Welcome to Mr. English Speaks, where English becomes easy, real, and fun.
I'm Sarah.
And I'm Adam.
Today we're going to learn something that you'll use all the time in English.
How to talk about yourself.
Exactly. Whether you're meeting new people, introducing yourself in class, or doing a job interview, this lesson will help you sound confident and natural.
We'll guide you step by step. Name, country, family, hobbies, job, favorites, and personality, everything you need to introduce yourself perfectly.
Get comfortable, and let's start.
Let's begin with something simple. Your name and where you're from. You can say, I'm Adam. My name is Adam.
Both are fine. I'm Adam sounds friendly and casual. My name is Adam is a little more formal.
Now add your hometown or country. I'm from Canada. I live in London.
And you can combine them naturally.
Hi, I'm Adam. I'm from Canada, but I live in London. That's short, clear, and perfect.
Okay, your turn. Say your name and where you're from.
Nice job. If you'd like, write your sentence in the comments. We'll read some of them.
Now let's make your introduction more personal. Talk about your family.
Right. You can say simple sentences like, I live with my parents. I have one brother and one sister. I'm married and have 2 kids.
Or maybe, I live alone. I share an apartment with friends. Let's show you how that sounds in a conversation. Adam, tell me about your family.
Sure. I live with my wife and our son. My parents live nearby, and we meet every weekend for lunch.
That's lovely. I live with my younger sister, and we always listen to music together.
Nice. Now it's your turn. Say 1 or 2 sentences about your family. Next, let's talk about what you do.
If you have a job, say, I'm a teacher. I work in a hospital. I work for a tech company.
And if you're a student, I'm a student. I study English at university. I'm studying business.
Here's a quick example. So, Adam, what do you do?
I'm an English teacher. I've been teaching for 5 years, and I love helping students speak confidently.
That's awesome. I teach English too, and I love meeting students from all around the world.
Now your turn. How would you answer the question, what do you do?
Let's move to something more fun. Your hobbies.
Yes. Talking about your hobbies makes your conversation more interesting and friendly. You can say, in my free time, I like reading and cooking. I enjoy playing football. I love listening to music. Sarah, what do you like doing in your free time?
I like painting and going for long walks. I also love baking cakes, even if they don't always look pretty.
Ha ha ha. I enjoy hiking and watching football. It helps me relax after a busy week.
Nice.
Now let's talk about your favorites. Colors, food, movies, anything you love. You can say, my favorite color is blue. My favorite food is pizza. My favorite movie is Avatar.
Or make it sound even more natural. I'm a big fan of Italian food. I really love action movies.
Okay, Sarah, what's your favorite food?
Definitely sushi.
Nice choice. Mine's pasta, especially with extra cheese.
Yum, what's your favorite food or movie? Comment below and practice writing full sentences. Now let's make your self-introduction sound complete by describing your personality. You can say, I'm friendly and creative. I'm a little shy, but I like meeting new people. I'm hardworking and optimistic.
In English, it's okay to talk positively about yourself. It shows confidence.
Adam, how would you describe yourself?
I think I'm patient and funny. Maybe too funny sometimes.
Ha ha, that's true. I'd say I'm caring and organized. I like when things are tidy.
Perfect combo. Now it's your turn. Describe yourself with 2 or 3 adjectives. Okay, let's build a complete self-introduction using everything we learned. Here's mine. Hi, I'm Adam. I'm from Canada, but I live in London. I'm an English teacher. In my free time, I enjoy hiking and watching football. My favorite food is pasta, and my favorite color is green. I'm patient, funny, and I love meeting new people.
Hi, I'm Sarah. I'm from the UK and I live in New York. I'm an English teacher and YouTuber. In my free time, I like painting and baking. My favorite color is purple and my favorite food is sushi. I'm caring, organized, and always ready to learn new things.
Excellent.
Now create your own introduction using this structure.
Then read it out loud. Speaking helps you remember faster.
Here's a great tip. Record yourself speaking your introduction.
When you listen back, you'll notice pronunciation and rhythm. It really helps you sound natural.
You can also practice with a friend or even in front of a mirror.
The more you repeat it, the more confident you'll feel. A DAM. Now, let's talk about your daily life. What you do every day.
You can use phrases like, I wake up at 7 a.m. I go to work by bus. I usually have lunch at 1 p.m. In the evening, I watch TV or read a book.
These small details make your introduction sound alive. Sarah, what's your daily routine like?
Well, I usually wake up at 6:30, have coffee, and read a little before I start teaching. In the afternoon, I go to the gym, and at night, I relax with a movie.
Nice. Mine's simple too. I wake up early, go for a jog, then prepare lessons and film videos for Mr. English Speaks.
See? You can share your day naturally, like talking to a friend. Here's a part that makes introductions inspiring. Your goals and dreams.
People love hearing about what motivates you. You can say, my dream is to travel the world. I want to improve my English to study abroad. I hope to become a doctor one day. Sarah.
Don't be afraid to sound ambitious. It shows personality and hope. Adam, what was your dream when you were younger?
I wanted to be a pilot. I loved airplanes. But now, my dream is to help millions of people learn English confidently.
That's a beautiful dream, and it's coming true.
How about you, Sarah?
I dream of traveling to Japan and teaching English there. I also want to publish an English learning book one day.
Wow, that's inspiring. Okay, everyone. What's your dream? Write it in the comments. Let's make things fun again. Talk about your favorites in entertainment. You can say, I love pop music. My favorite band is Coldplay. I really enjoy romantic movies. I'm into documentaries.
Adding, I'm into, is a natural way to talk about interests. For example, I'm into classical music. I'm into horror movies. What kind of music do you listen to, Adam?
I'm into soft rock and a bit of jazz. Music helps me relax and focus.
Nice. I'm more into K-pop and movie soundtracks. I love singing in the shower, even if my neighbors don't.
Ha ha. That's great. Music and movies are awesome topics to connect with people when you first meet.
Let's go a bit deeper. Talk about places you visited.
Yes, you can say, I've been to France and Italy. I love traveling, especially to the beach. Last year, I visited Thailand and tried amazing food.
Even if you haven't traveled much, you can say, I haven't traveled a lot, but I'd love to visit Japan.
Sarah, what's the best place you've ever visited?
Oh, definitely Italy. The food, the art, the people, it's beautiful.
Nice choice. I love Thailand. The beaches there are unforgettable.
If you're watching, tell us, where would you love to go one day?
Since you're learning English, it's good to mention languages in your introduction.
You can say, I speak Spanish and a little English. I'm learning English and Korean. I can understand some French.
It's okay if you're not fluent. Just say a little or some. That shows honesty and motivation.
Adam, do you speak any other languages?
Yes, a bit of Spanish, but I'm still learning. Sarah, what's something special about your culture?
Cool. I speak French, and I'm trying to learn Japanese, slowly.
Learning languages keeps your brain active and helps you meet amazing people.
Let's quickly review what we learned today. How to introduce your name and hometown, how to talk about your family and job, how to share your hobbies and favorites, how to describe your personality, how to put everything together naturally.
That's a lot of progress in one lesson.
Great work.
Now you can confidently introduce yourself in English anywhere, in class, at work, or online.
Remember, you don't need perfect grammar. You just need to communicate.
Exactly. Every time you practice, your English gets stronger.
If you enjoyed this lesson, give it a thumbs up and comment your self-introduction below. We love reading them.
And don't forget to subscribe to Mr. English Speaks and hit the bell so you never miss a new video.
If you found this lesson helpful, please give us a thumbs up and share it with a friend who's learning English.
Until then, keep learning, keep smiling, and keep speaking English.
See you soon. Thank you all. Listening today, it's a pleasure. Goodbye. Back soon with another video. Don't forget to subscribe to Mr. English Speaks and click the bell icon for new videos every week.